Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and it's so good to have you here. And today I have 5 Indian skincare products I'm obsessed with right now. These are really awesome and I can't wait to show you this. Let's start. First I have a moisturizer that has very good texture. This is lightweight and it has 2% niacinamide. It also has good amount of glycerin to hydrate the skin, silicone to prevent the water loss. It also have algae extract. But if your skin is allergic to fermented ingredients, then this is not for you. This moisturizer also contains rice extract. I love how lightweight it feels. I think for Indian summer it can work for all skin types, but for winter I think it only suit oily to normal skin. And this is excellent for glowing lightweight feel, but if you apply this a lot it gets a bit sticky, so do not apply too much of this moisturizer. Heads up. So next I have something that are really affordable and very functional, and many of you have been asking me for affordable fragrance free skincare products and especially toner, hydrating toner, and I have something for you. First is BioCool's Aqua Boost Hydrating Toner, which gives long-lasting hydration and strengthens skin barrier. It nourishes and balances skin's pH while making skin soft and hydrated. It can also work for all skin types, even for sensitive skin. It has ingredients like betavitin, citrulline, and hyaluronic acid, and all these ingredients are naturally sourced from natural sugar, corn kernels, and watermelon. So if you're looking for gentle but effective formulation for your skin, then this is for you. The texture of this toner is watery, non-sticky, and really hydrating. A good toner should offer extra hydration, minimize the appearances of pores, balance the pH, and remove any traces of grime and oil. And this toner exactly does all this thing, and this lightweight toner soaks into my skin within seconds, leaving my skin hydrated, glowy, and healthy and fresh. You can use this with a cotton pad. You also can use it directly on your skin, gently patting it in. If you want more hydration, it feels extremely light and gentle on my skin, and I highly recommend this one. You can use this both day and night. You can use it every day. I love how it makes my skin feel. And another thing about BioCool is that all their ingredients are naturally sourced, and this is very gentle. The formulation is effective but still is quite gentle, and this is the thing about BioCool products. Next I have BioCool's Aqua Boost Hydrating Serum. It also provides long-lasting hydration. It nourishes the skin. It has ingredients like hyaluronic acid, saccharide, isomerate. Just like the toner, the ingredients in this serum are also naturally sourced from silicium, natural sugars, and corn kernels, and it has this very beautiful texture. It can work for all skin types. The texture is like non-sticky water gel. Serum enhances skin density and firmness. It also improves skin elasticity, and I love that it gives this hydrating glowy look without the stickiness. I'm really pleased with the results from this serum. Like the toner, the serum is also fragrance free and doesn't contain drying alcohol. It can work really well even for sensitive skin due to its gentle skin loving ingredients and good formulation. It performs great under makeup, sunscreen, and moisturizer. It hydrates and smoothens the skin, giving this dewy glow. If you want supple complexion, then I think you're gonna love this serum. And both the serum and toner, they work really well together. You can use this both in your AM and PM routine. You can use this every day. The ingredients of these products are naturally sourced, and these are very gentle for the skin. Many teenagers also ask me for the skincare products recommendations, and these products can work for them as well to strengthen the skin barrier and for glowing healthy skin.
by using this toner and serum twice in a day, you're gonna see visible results, and these are really budget friendly as well and easy to use.
So if you're looking for affordable skincare products, then I think you're gonna love these things. And I'm loving this toner and serum. These are really good. Next I have a sunscreen from you. This is from Sugandha. So this is the new sunscreen. I think this is their first sunscreen. This is the total different sunscreen. It has SPF 50. They have used all the new generation sunscreen filters. The texture of this sunscreen is amazing. Doesn't leave any white cast. The brand says that it gives matte finish, but I say it gives semi matte finish, but it doesn't feel sticky or greasy. And this is a fragrance free formulation.
Along with sunscreen filters like Dinosorb M, Evinol A+, Evinol T50, it also has Niacinamide, vitamin E. Also, I found this ingredient in this sunscreen that is called Save. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. So it has this interesting benefits of, like, thermal anti-aging properties. It is very good for soothing the skin, and many like skincare brands, they use this for their mask serum because it has this thermal anti-aging, or it can regulate skin's temperature. But yeah, I don't know how much this is working on my skin according to this thermal anti-aging. But the sunscreen definitely feels soothing on my skin, doesn't make my skin sweat more than usual. It doesn't sting my eyes. I think it can work for all skin types, even for sensitive skin. This is a really good sunscreen.
Last I had this cleanser from Put Simply. This is the Get Your Greens cleanser. This cleanser can work for all skin types. I'm telling you, this is so gentle, yet it cleanses the skin well, and it doesn't make the skin tight, which I really appreciate. And yeah, very good soothing cleanser for everyday use.
This is fragrance free formulation. They have used gentle surfactants in there. Also, you could see centella, mugwort in the formulation, which is great. It also has licorice root extract, and yeah, I really think it can be a very good everyday cleanser for daily use. It doesn't feel stripping, and simply does what it says. It cleanses the skin while giving this soothing benefits. So if you even have sensitive skin, this cleanser can work really well for you.
So yeah, that's all for now. I really hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for being there, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.